Very happy with the point. Striker goal from Imam Ashur. Just didn't really get hold of it. Well, that was the... He's a man who's got to be a little bit careful. He's on 2 yellow cards, Marco. All forward. Good run this from Dion Hotto, and a striker goal as well from Hotto. Always rising from the Namibian. But pretty direct as well from him. Just one thought in his mind. Narrow sky, then Hotto will just touch it forward, and Ahly will have a throw-in. Defensive duties to do. Sorry, not Mafeking, Makopa, who started the game up top. Hotto on the flanks, and these two. Ibrahim will try and see if he can make another charge into the box. It goes. Another important clearance from Sibisi. Really solid save from Chain, and then over the bar. He could turn in the follow-up when it came his way. Omar Al-Sa'i with the acrobatics. And once again, the Pirates' goal escapes. Really good ball this in from Atia. Caused real problems. And then coming in at the back stick. He can assure change that. A little deflection off Sasane. Dribbles it in towards Chaine. Crosses deep. And they'll be gathered by Chaine. 13 clean sheets this season for the Pirates, #1 from 25 games, and that was up against the might of Ahly, striving at goal here and letting fly from distance. And that's not going to be troubling Chaine. And the Pirates goal, the strike from Al-Sa'i. Field, now he can strike a goal, and he does indeed. Well, he certainly can hit them. Talenti Mbata, we saw that last week with his stunning strike against Belouizdé. A nice driving one again. Just so direct at times, Pirates. We're not used to seeing Ahmed El-Shenawi on the bench. Second right as you're looking at it. This is Rabia. Called by Mbata. To Hotto, the ball needs to come back to Labizzo. He couldn't manage to do so, but that was excellent passing play. No wonder they get the applause from their coach, Pirates. They took their time, they found their spaces, they played it in between. Here he is, Abu Ahly. Outstanding defending once again, and look at that. The reaction from Sibisi, punching the air in delight at getting the block in. He's been outstanding so far. Of course, he missed after injuring himself trying a backflip in training. Concussing himself, and he was a major, very conspicuous absentee as Egypt went out in the knockout phase. Well, that's not offside, despite the flag going up. But many a year. That's why Gagné and Ashur, well, where's the yellow card going is surely going to be going to both players. And if it goes to Imam Ashur, well, he's going to miss the first game in the knockout stage. He's got to be careful, very careful. And has he not been? We're about to find out. Well, one over the line, swung in and headed away again by Sibisi. That's managed to get through. Marco looking into the area, chance here for a Pirates. They've not taken it. Hotto just inches wide. There was such an inviting cross that came into him from Marco. Look at that, and the run was good as well. They've lost once all season. Ashfat, another solid tackle coming in this time. It's Sasani getting the block in to stop the strike from Ashfat. Excellent defending once again at the back for Pirates. Wanted the ball back there as well. He's not had a lot of service. He does have 4 goals in the goal from his 6 Champions League games before this. And Mbata swings it in. Has come here for a Mafeking when he couldn't miss. He had the freedom at the Cairo International Stadium to poke that home as it made its way through to him. And Pirates, the league leaders in Group C, go clear at the home of the African champions Al Ahly. 1-0 Pirates early in the second half. And Wele Bohile Mafeking has his third goal in as many Champions League games. It just wasn't cut out by Rabia. Ahly failing to clear their lines. Abdel Fattah as well. Real mess at the back from the African champions. Could be in behind her and it could be costly. Oh, that's a lovely lift over the top and into the back of the net from the substitute who's just come on. El Shahat, absolutely delightful. Pirates lost the ball in midfield. He's only been on the field a matter of minutes. And Hussein El Shahat has brought Ahly level in a game they need to win. It's super save from Chaine, absolutely vital to stop Ahly from levelling the scores. Well, it was nicely worked in the end. Not entirely sure how much he meant to be finding Abu Ali. Abu Ali, they've got to play the advantage here, they do. Strike a goal, tip behind by Chaine. Marwan Atia, the man with it, holds his head in his hands. He's never scored for the Egyptian. Dlamini, into the middle it goes, and over the line, surely it goes. Well, if not on the first attempt, certainly on the second. And Pirates have restored their lead. Gilberto turning it home. But did it go over the line earlier? Either way, Pirates have restored their lead and have taken control of Group C once again.
Welcome you in this video today. I'm speaking this information in this match. They Ahly and Orlando. This player Orlando Pirates is magnifique, is beautiful playing today. Yes, I'm speak in this information in this match in Arabic for communicate and you find Ahly and أورلاندو in this Egypt. مباراة من المباريات صعبة بطبيعة الحال. لما نتكلموا على أهلي ونتكلموا على الأورلاندو بايرتس، واحد من الفريقين العريقين على مستوى هذه القارة بطبيعة الحال، عندهم مكانة كبيرة وكفاءة عالية. نتكلم حتى على الصن داونز، واحد من الفرق دائما متألقين نشوفهم في نهائي لما تتويج حتى بالألقاب القارية. فعلى كل حال فالأورلاندو مكانة أو ذو جودة عالية من اللاعبين، خاصة نتكلموا على لاني هذا بطبيعة الحال كان جايب انتدابات اللي عندهم يعني حس تفكير متطور. وبطبيعة الحال شفنا في المباراة بتاعه مع الأهلي اللي كانت مباراة الذهاب كانت في ملعب الأورلاندو، وكان الأورلاندو بايرتس 100% كان يفوز بالمباراة لولا ضيع طبعا الحال فرص كتير. لما نتكلموا على الكونتا ونتكلموا على مباطة ونتكلموا على موفوكين، نتكلموا يعني لاعبين كتير عندهم والله العظيم تشوف اللاعبين هادو يستحقون فرق كبرى على مستوى القارات المتواجده في العالم. يعني نتكلموا قارات اوروبيه بطبيعه الحال اللي عندهم فرق متميزه وتطور كبير من حيث التكتيك. هذه مساله دائما نناقشها في جل الفيديوهات، ان شاء الله نشوفكم في فيديوهات اخرى اللي راح نتكلموا على فريق او نتكلموا على التطور اللي راح يشوفوه بعض الانديه بطبيعه الحال مستقبلا في الدوريات هذه القاريه. اما بالنسبه للدوري المحلي بطبيعه الحال ما زال الصن داونز هو مسيطر على الدوري. اورلاندو من الممكن ان يلحق هذا الفريق في اي وقت من الاوقات. ما زال هناك العديد من المباريات اللي راح تشوف مفاجات كبيره في